going on, guys? Thanks for checking back in with your favorite mobile mechanic. That's the first job of the day. 2021 Mazda CX-30, and we got a bad wheel bearing. Let me show you guys how I fix it. All right, I got you in back behind where the wheel goes here. We're gonna start by cracking this bolt here, and this guy, it's a size 17. Let's do that. You guys use impacts when you work. What you're gonna wanna do is be careful. Don't pull these bolts out. This one's still in up here. You don't wanna put any pressure on this brake line. So let me show you what I do. And set this up on top here. I always use a bungee cord or something that you know is not going to drop this thing. There we go. The more out of the way you can get it, the better. Rotor off. Set it somewhere where it's not going to get damaged or beat up. I got mine on this carpet here I work on. I actually got this this mat out of my wife's car. No, we replaced it with the black one, so I didn't get in trouble. All right, our 4 bolts on the back of the hub assembly are size 14. Money. Bam, let me introduce you to Bertha there. When you're done messing around, get Big Bertha. Told you. There we go. Number 2. All right, I rotated the wheel all the way to the left, and now we have access to these 2 here. Come on, Bertha. There we go. Right away. We're in New Mexico, so we don't have to mess with rust really anyways. But you do to there goes the light. Oh, this bearing's already fallen out. Yeah, buddy. The bearing there and this gap here is the bearing just falling out. I'm actually realizing I didn't bust the axle nut yet, so I'll probably thread some of the bearing bolts back in to break the axle bolt.